In today's video, I'll show you how to export Snowflake worksheets in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you work with Snowflake, exporting your SQL worksheets can be very useful. You might want to keep a backup, share your queries with teammates, or move your work to another environment. The good news is that exporting a worksheet is quick and straightforward. First, log into your Snowflake account and open the worksheet you want to export. This worksheet contains the SQL queries or scripts you want to save outside of Snowflake. Once the worksheet is open, select all of the content inside it. You can do this easily by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A. This will highlight everything in the worksheet so nothing is missed. After selecting all the code, copy it using Ctrl+C. At this point, all of your SQL code is saved to your clipboard. Next, open a text editor on your computer. You can use a basic editor like Notepad or a more advanced one like Visual Studio Code. Now paste the copied code into the editor using Ctrl+V. You should see your entire worksheet appear in the text editor. The final step is to save the file. When saving, make sure to use the .sql file extension. This helps ensure the file is recognized as an SQL script and can be opened easily in other tools or environments. Give the file a clear name so you can find it later without confusion. And that's how you export Snowflake worksheets. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.